Run the demo without JIT-Guard in the BlueStacks emulator. We can observe that the demo without JIT-Guard runs normally in the emulator without crashing. Run the demo protected by JIT-Guard in the BlueStacks emulator. We can see that the demo protected by JIT-Guard crashes after about 10 seconds of running in the emulator.